Hi everyone, today we are going to learn the question boundary traversal of a binary tree. In this question, a binary tree is given and we have to find the boundary traversal of this binary tree. Binary tree means each node will have at most two children. So we have to write the boundary traversal. That means the boundaries. The boundaries of this tree are 28, 4, then 10, then 14, then 25 and 22. So this is the answer 28, 4, 10, 14, 25 and 22. So we just have to traverse the boundaries and print them. An easy way can be, we can first print the left side of the tree, then the leaf nodes of the tree, and then we have to reverse print the right side of the tree, right view of the tree. First the left nodes, then the leaf nodes, and then reverse right nodes. Because if we are going to traverse the right nodes, then the right nodes will be from 20 is the root, then 22 and 25 will be the right nodes. But we have to traverse it in the anti-clockwise direction. So as we are traversing the left nodes first, then the leaf nodes, and then we have to reverse traverse the right nodes. So we are using recursion to do this. Let's see the code part. First, I have made a function named left nodes which will traverse the left side of the tree. Node star root for taking the root node, then int answer for storing the nodes. If there is no root, then we have to return. And then if roots left exist, then we have to push that into the answer. We have to push that the data into the answer. And then we have to call recursively this function again. If the left root, if roots left is existing, we have to call this function recursively, roots left. And if roots left is not existing, we have to check for roots right. Because suppose the node is from 28 and then suppose 4 was not there. I'll tell you 28, 12 and suppose 15 is there. So the boundary traversal will be 28, 12 and 15. So if the left node is not existing, we have to check for the right node. So we are checking for the right node and then we are pushing back into the answer vector and then we have to call it recursively for the right node of the left part. Then what we have to do, we have to check for the leaf nodes. We are checking the leaf nodes. Node star root and vector answer. If root is not existing, then we have to return it. Then we have to call the leaf node function recursively. First for the left part, and if left and right both are not existing, then we have to print the root. Else we have to go to the right hand side and check. Suppose this is the root node and this is some node. So this is the left part and this is the right part. So this is the if condition. If the nodes of this node is not existing, then we have to print the root for this node. That is this one. See, if not roots left and not roots right, this left and right are not existing, then we have to push back the root. As we have to go to the right part. First left part, then we are checking for both of the nodes, and then for the right part. Now we have to reverse print the right side of the tree. You have to reverse print the right side of the tree. Let's see for the right hand side. Node star root and then vector int answer. If root is not existing, then we have to return. If roots right is existing, then we have to call this function recursively for the right nodes and we have to push that into the answer. Else if the left nodes are existing, then we have to push back into the answer and then we have to call recursively for the left nodes. This is same like 2 is there, 1, 3, 4. So the boundary traversal will be 2, 1, 3 and 4. If we have to traverse for right hand side, we have to check both left and right nodes, because see, this is on the right hand side. The right hand side's right node is null. So we have to check for left hand side. The reverse order. And by reverse order, here I mean, we are first calling the recursive function and then we are printing. In the left nodes, what we were doing? We were first pushing it into the answer and then we are calling it recursively. We are first pushing it and then we are calling recursively. But for the right side, we have to first call it recursively and then push, because we have to traverse it in the reverse order, in the anti-clockwise order. So we have to call the function first and then we have to push back into the answer. And then the main function, print boundary. So firstly, we have to print the root part. Vector int for storing the answer. Answer dot push back roots data. First we have to push the roots data. Then we have to call it for the left nodes, then leaf node and then right node. And then we have to return the answer. This is the same code. The time and space complexity is O of n. Is the time complexity, because we have to traverse each and every node. Because we have to traverse the boundary. So it will go to the last. And the space complexity is height of the tree, because we are storing it into the answer variable. They submitted successfully. So this was the code for boundary traversal of a binary. Thank you.